Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Ford key fob battery, used for different models, different years, mostly after 2017, Fusion, Explorer, Edge, Mustang, F-Series. The battery you will need is a CR2450. You can click on the link below to get it online. Pretty easy. What we have to do is to take the emergency key out by pressing this button. And then, as you can see, there is a slot right here. So we take the key and we push it, okay? And up. Once again, take the key, push, and we pull up. Right, do it gently. Now you have the key fob open. As you can see, with a flathead screwdriver, there is a slot. Make sure that you take one that is small enough to fit in this slot right here, and gently underneath take the battery out. Once again, I'll put it back and this slot right here, okay? Insert and take the battery out. This is a good one, so I'll use it again. Then we have to put it back in to the left and we press. We put the cover back in, emergency key, and that's it. Pretty easy. Let us know what you think. Thank you.